How to select and mark as read all Gmail, Exchange, Outlook emails. 1. Select and mark as read all Gmails at once. Find all unread Gmails? Click to filter icon, in search, select Unread Mail then click to search. Method 2. In search icon, type in unread then enter. Select all unread Gmails. Click to mark as read icon. Two. Select and mark as read all Exchange, Outlook emails at once. Click to unread icon. Manual select emails. Firstly, click to first email then hold Ctrl key then left click to other emails. Select all emails. Firstly, click to first email then hold Ctrl key then left click to the end email. Thanks for your watching. Like, share, subscribe now.